Hello everyone, I am Kürşat from the Power International. Today I am with Sunny to see this amazing project, Topkapı 29. This project considered as a small city itself, parks, gardens, hospital and clinic also. 2024 is the delivery date, and so if you are looking for investment, this is the best time. Now Sunny will introduce to maquette to us.
Hello from my side. Let's go and see the maquette together. Okay, let's start with the land. This land is like 156,000 square meters, the full project. We can see the clinic here. This is the first entrance. There is a hotel. And there is also a place, the project, the part of the place is like for Airbnb. And it has like 4 different types of gardens. First one is just the flowers, the second one for kids, and the other ones are just, you can plant anything, vegetables that you want. In total, we have 20 blocks here. So the shops outside, there are like 90, the inside are 87. So we have lots of shops, as you can see. And we have a shopping mall inside the project. And about the parks, I told you, and about the flats, 1,600 in total. And let me tell you about the facilities that we have here, like indoor and outdoor pool and sauna, Turkish hammam, and the other things.
By the way, you forgot to talk about location.
That's why I have a partner, actually. Okay.
Basically, project in Topkapı, it's between two Cevizliba and Merter Metrobus stations. By the way, from here to metro and Metrobus stations by walking is 10 minutes. Let's examine the sample apartment.
Of course.
Let's go. Welcome.
Welcome to our property. Officially, we're starting from inside the house. The net is about 160 square meters and it's 3+1. So it is the smallest 3+1 that we have inside the project, but the whole and total project is about 68 to
310, I think.
Square meters. So
yes, let's start with, I think, living room.
Okay.
Or kitchen?
Heart of the house first.
Okay, kitchen.
So come with me here. All the electronic parts and things that are on the house, except the fridge that they never put it inside, and the sink. It's huge and so precious. Look at this balcony. It's called like flash balcony, so we can open it and go inside there. Wow, it was so heavy. Thank you, Kürşat. So finally I could open.
Finally.
Wow. This is something, you know, and you can see the whole gardens here.
It's like 15 square meters or something like that.
You know, I'm not good with numbers, so yes, let's mention that one. But the view is also great. The fresh air. That's
and I'm gonna take the camera to show this amazing living room. Follow me.
Let's go.
When we are continue with this living room, we have a 6-seated dining table here with modern architectural touch. What do you think about that?
You know, what I think about the decorations and design are the best and the most important part about the projects.
Before the recording, you liked here too much?
Absolutely my favorite place.
Okay, we have windows, very big windows, and you can get very good daylight. After the working hours, when you come to house, seeing this wide open living room make you chill. Oh, it's too comfortable.
So let's go to my very, very special place, bathroom. So every project that we visit, I just go firstly inside the bathroom. This is the first bathroom that we have. These are?
I think it's a child's or guest room. Let's go inside.
Yep.
Oh
my god, we have these puffy things here.
You find your beer?
Yep. Okay. Oh my god, yeah. This is so cool.
As you can see, it's a child's room with a modern design. Every child's dream and every child's dream.
I can be a child.
Take it back.
Yes. You know.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
What is this?
Laundry, you can open it. Actually, yes. Now it's empty, but it will be the laundry room, guest room or home office. Let me go inside. Yeah, the vibe that you get, you know, from this brown, like coffee brown, this decoration is absolutely my taste. Okay. So the main and the master bedroom. So we have, thank you, we have the bathroom here, we have the closet and fitting room here. This place is for your toilet table, and this is the bed, as you can see. And we have the very, yeah.
Look at this.
Oh my God, you have the same thing.
It's okay. Same thing.
The decoration.
Let's take a photo.
Yeah, let's do that.
Continue.
Okay, so we have another French balcony here. So this is all about this property, and I love it so much.
Look at this wardrobe. As you know, I really like wearing, and it's my dream. It's really wonderful. Yes, we came to the construction area. Originally, I'm civil engineer. I graduated 2 years ago, but I didn't make my job in any time. And destiny take me here. Have you ever been in construction, Sunny?
Unfortunately not, but after what happened in Turkey, I'm so sorry to mention that, but the earthquake and natural disasters made us, and we just made the decision to come and visit the construction companies ourselves. So this construction company has a story behind. Firstly, they were like manufacturers. They started with factories, exporting, and then they moved to Antalya. And after that, they tried these buildings and constructing things. So this is Akzirve Construction, one of the most famous ones in Istanbul and full Turkey. And also they have a branch in Switzerland. After Kök, Hortal and Estrada, this is the third project that this construction company has made actually, and this is the safest one and high quality. What do you think about this project?
It was a great honor for us to visiting this project. Today we was at Topkapı 29, and what was our slogan?
Discover the power of investment.